guys, Danielle here from Mostly Clean Eats. Today I have a recipe for you for apple pie muffins. They are out of this world delicious. They are paleo friendly, they're gluten-free, they're dairy-free, and you're gonna love them. The key is we use homemade applesauce. I'm gonna link right here the video to my Instant Pot applesauce, which was up last week, which you can use. And we use chunks of apples, and they are so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe. Every Monday and Friday I drop new recipe videos, and Wednesday I have meal prep and cooking hack videos. Enjoy!
For these paleo applesauce muffins, we're going to start with 4 large eggs in a mixing bowl. We're going to add a cup of unsweetened applesauce. I'm going to link to my Paleo Instant Pot applesauce that's super easy to make. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You want to make sure that coconut oil is melted pretty well. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're going to give all of that a quick whisk and make sure that it's well combined. Now we're going to add our almond flour, baking soda, and the pinch of salt and mix it all up nice and well. Now that that's all mixed well, we're going to stir in our diced apples. And at this point, if you wanted to add the walnuts or chocolate chips or any other toppings, you'd add them as well. Now you're going to fill the muffins. You want to make sure that they're filled all the way to the top of the liner for this recipe. And I have them in the OXO reusable silicone muffin tins. I've linked them in the description below because they are the best. Finally, we're going to bake these muffins at 350 for 30 minutes.
Here it is, apple pie muffins that are nothing says fall, like, right, a good apple muffin or donut. I love pumpkin, but sometimes I'm like, apple needs to get its due too. Everything you need for this recipe is linked below. The actual recipe, the ingredients, all that fun stuff. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the blog. Monday and Friday, new recipes drop. Wednesday, meal prep and cooking hack videos. And I hope you enjoy.